Hi friends, welcome to MS Access Basics. In this course we will cover essentials which are very important to understand why MS Access is meant for, and then certain basic elements like how to open MS Access, uh, what are the features of MS Access. And the next class we will go to little more advanced sessions. What is Microsoft Access? So Microsoft Access is a relational database management system. Don't worry about it. It's not a big uh, rocket science. We need to call it as. So it's like DBMS or RDBMS. At the very core, it is a software engine that provides an interface between physical data and user application queries. It's nothing but, in a layman's language, from the raw data, it creates certain through certain queries, it will create certain reports. That's all, nothing else. It's very easy to understand. Only thing is that the language is such that it explains in a very typical way. It's fine. Other examples of DBMS applications are Oracle, my SQL Server is Microsoft. That what do you call the Dynamics thing, DB2, IBM is created, and Informix. So basically, when you understand MS Access, you will be able to understand all these applications also, because they are relatively the same kind of applications. So what is the use of MS Access? So when you go and Google it, you'll see that why Microsoft Access is designed to is there. So basically, Microsoft Access is designed to scale to support more data and users by linking a multiple access databases or using a backend database like Microsoft SQL Server. So basically, it's a database. It's an engine which basically links the databases and gives reports to us. So these are all kind of understanding to you guys, to make sure that not to worry about. There is nothing to learn from these basic definitions. It's very easy to understand MS Access. So why to choose MS Access over Excel? So this is a very important question. So Excel, we are all working with Excel, and this is continuously uh, used and very effectively used. If you know most of the complex formulas in Excel, you can create pivots, you can create tables, and you can slice the tables, you can do the drawings, charts, all those things. But still, why Access? The following rules might help when deciding when to use and when not to use MS Access. So MS Access is best used for long-term data storage and or data sharing. Basically, you have a employee data. So the data has to be completely maintained for the year, not only year, for years together, and you need to add new records to the database, and that database has to be maintained. In Excel, it is not possible. Basically, Excel is only for the temporary work. So this basically, it's used for minor data collection and certain manipulations and kind of some interface dashboards, and for visualization we can call it as. So for this we use. So MS Access is more for the long-term database usage, where you have to maintain a data, and from out of that you need to query and get the data, get the reports out. And it's very easy to export data from Excel to Access to Excel. Of course, from Excel also you can download to Access. So it's very that is the reason why we use Access. And why or other DBMS systems? You have Oracle, you have IBM's, you have other like Informix and all. But why use DBMS? Only MS Access. It's cheap, it's readily available, and easy to use, because you need not have so many systems. FT means full-time employee. Includes front end tools for rapid application development. Basically, you have everything in our Oracle and other DBMS systems. You need to understand the backend. You need to understand the entire system. But in here, it's easily to understand. It's a prototype environment, so easily just get in, do some activity, and get a report and come out of this. So it's easy.